Hello and welcome to this Redstore video where we're going to cover the installation and configuration of the Redstore agent. This is where we can back up and recover and archive for servers, desktops and laptops. So like before, I would have visited redstore.com, logged into our marketplace area as the customer. In this case, I'm going to perform just a very quick recap that we go into the Redstore app and go to machines, where I previously created a group called server room, and then we deployed the Redstore agent. So if I drop down to my server that's in the background, this is the little Windows application that I've generated from the Redstore app. As you can see, it was generated on the 2nd of October and is just over 6.5 meg. So to install the Redstore agent on this server and get it backed up and protected, I simply just need to double click on this executable. So you can now see the Redstore app is making a connection to the platform and pulling down the latest backup agent, and it will install that completely silently. And if we look down on the taskbar, we'll see that the Redstore agent has been installed. So if we right click and say open, this will launch the Redstore backup agent for the first time. Now that the Redstore agent has loaded, you can see that full system backup was enabled automatically. And if we continue into the options and look at remote access, that also is enabled automatically. If we then make our way to the backup schedule, by default there will be a daily backup configured at 7 o'clock in the evening. If we don't wish to do a full system backup, we can disable that option, and this is where you then have the ability to choose individual files and folders or even exclude certain data sets. In this case, I'm going to put it back and do the full system backup. This is where we select absolutely everything on that system, and that will then give you the ability to restore this system as a full virtual machine or back to bare metal depending on your requirements. So I'm going to kick this backup off manually. So now that the backup has been kicked off, there are a number of stages to the backup, like snapshotting VSS as an example, and this can take a few minutes to prepare. So the backup's underway now, and as you can see, it's reporting around about 80 minutes to complete. And now we're at the final stages of the backup, and we're just waiting for the backup to finish. So the actual backup time was 51 minutes 13 seconds. Thanks ever so much for watching this video on how to install the Redstore agent.